Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to create a Chime Bank account. So let's get started. First, download and open the Chime app on your phone. Once the app opens, tap Sign Up to begin the registration process. Next, enter your first name and last name. Make sure they match the name on your official identification documents. After that, enter your email address and tap Next. Now enter your date of birth, then continue to the next step. Next, provide your phone number and verify it using the security code sent to your device. Once your phone number is verified, you will be asked to confirm your identity. Follow the on-screen instruction and submit the required information or documents for verification. After your application is approved, you will gain access to your new Chime account. From there, you can set up features such as direct deposit, manage your spending, and explore other services available through Chime. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.